MzeroA Nation, hey, it's Jamie. Do you think you could salvage this landing? Dalton traffic, Skyhawk 23 Mike Zulu, going around, runway 32 Dalton. All right, we're going around. That was not a advisable landing just because we were way too high. Let's not try to salvage something and risk anything else. So I'm doing a go around right now, but MzeroA Nation, welcome to day 11 of the 31-day Safer Pilot Challenge. If you start out being high on final, just go around. There is no shame in going around. It is me as an airline pilot, I do the exact same thing too. When in doubt, just go around. There's always going to be another attempt, and usually have a better landing that time too. So, Dalton traffic, Skyhawk 23 Mike Zulu, final runway 32, touch and go, Dalton. Coming in, and I am purposely too high. And it may sound stupid, but a lot of the times, oh my gosh, I'm not full idle. That's the difference in between being able to get down. That's more or less like your elevator lever. Elevator is in like riding stairs up and down. So pull that all out because we want to pitch for airspeed and power for altitude. My power is the key to my altitude. If I pull it all the way out, it's going to allow me to come in a lot steeper. And you can see I'm just aimed right at the 3.2, kind of right on my speed. So that works out perfectly. I'm going to come in. I'm going to arrest the descent, start my round out, and I'm just going to transition, watching the end of the runway, letting that speed bleed off, a little bit more, a little bit of a float. There's the runway. We go carb heat cold, flaps are coming up, and I'm going to add that power in. There's my rotation speed, off we go. Using a forward slip to landing, and this can be very beneficial for losing altitude very quickly. And the one thing I want you to make sure is whenever you are powered back to idle, that you have enough airspeed so you don't become uncoordinated and stall a wing. So, but one thing I want you to do is I'm demonstrating how much we can lose altitude so quickly just by using the side of the aircraft, going down towards the runway, maintaining my speed. I'm getting right down towards the runway. As soon as I get down to the runway, now I'm actually able to see the pappies come back in. I'm going to transition, get the rudder centered, and do what I need to do with the crosswind. Looks like it's pretty calm right now. And then I'm just going to transition into a normal landing. Our beat's cold. Full throttle and flaps are coming up. Rotate. There we go. That's my 3 solid tips for correcting being too high on final. Let me know what you think. If you have any other solid ways to do that. My top one is if you start out being high on final, just go around. Let me know what you think. That's day 11. We're 1/3 the way through the 31-day Safer Pilot Challenge. I want to thank everyone for joining today. I want you to keep studying hard, keep flying smart. I want you to keep the passion for aviation alive. I appreciate each and every one of you joining because remember, a good pilot is always learning. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hey aviators, before you take off, don't forget you can try MzeroA Online Ground School completely free for 2 weeks. Jump in, explore the lessons, watch the videos, and take that virtual discovery flight and see exactly how our understanding-based teaching helps you master aviation, not just memorize it. And when you're ready to keep going, we've got options. Choose an individual course like private, instrument, commercial, or CFI FOI. Perfect if you're laser focused on your next certificate or rating. Or take things further with one of our curated Pilot Success memberships. Gold and Bronze gives you unlimited access to all of our manned courses, webinars, and bonus content designed to help you grow from a student to safe, confident pilot. Don't forget, we also now offer a membership tier specifically designed for those pilots who just want to stay up to date and have tools at their fingertips. Perks Pass. There's no courses, but still all things knowledge. So start your free 2-week trial today at MzeroA.com/trial and discover why thousands of pilots trust MzeroA to make aviation learning simple, effective, and fun. Because remember, a good pilot is always learning.